Good morning, guys. In front of me is CUBOT X70, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open New Message. And here, once you've got access to CUBOT, just give it a couple of seconds. So here you've got access to CUBOT. Select Settings and Mark Languages. Here you've got all currently available languages. To change it, tap on Add Keyboard, select the one that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred one, or just mark on Search button and then enter the language that you want to use. Okay, then click on Done, and now just remove unnecessary languages by tapping on Edit. Go back. Now you've got two languages, so here you've got the word icon, by tapping on which you can switch the language. So this is it, this is how you can change the language. If you want to remove it and have one language only, just go back to Languages Settings, tap Edit, mark Chinese or any other language that you want to get rid of, tap on Bin, go back, and as you can see you've got one language only and this word icon disappeared. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.